Hello students, this is the second chapter of your geography of NCERT textbook Contemporary India, part 1. The name of the chapter is Physical Features of India. Now what is this chapter about? This chapter is all about the physical features which are present on our mainland. What we will get to know is that we will get to know the importance of the relief features, especially in terms of economic development of the country. We'll get to know about the major divisions according to physiography which our India has. We will also be able to analyze the productive and protective role of the Himalaya since ages. You will also get to know that how the natural forces help change the earth landforms. You will also get to know how Himalayas act as a climatic divide between the countries to the north of Himalayas and our India. You will also get to know the role of northern plains as the food bowl of India. You will be able to distinguish between Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. And you will be able to also locate, label and identify various mountain passes, peaks and other physical features of India. Especially what this chapter deals about. This chapter deals about the concept of plate tectonics, and then it goes into the divisions of India according to physical features. The first being Himalayas, then the northern plain, then the peninsula plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains and the island groups of India. So this chapter gives us an insight as how the landforms are different from one place to another, and even though differences exist, they all help together in the development of our country. And it also helps as a climatic barrier between many things. So we will get to know about all these topics one by one in further details.